Are you looking for the best camp kitchens? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camp kitchens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Stoic Portable Camp Kitchen Island. If you want an outdoor camp kitchen organizer with accessories, this is an all-in-one kitchenette with lots of bells and whistles. The movable overhead hooks can hang rags and or pots/pans. To my delight, I discovered that I could use a hook to hang my water reservoir above the sink for dishwashing. The sink is generously sized with an integrated hose for draining, which made for easy dishwashing and disposal of gray water. Be sure not to leave a trace and follow campground protocols. I didn't have to play Jenga with the dishes for drying, as an under-the-counter removable mesh shelf is a perfect dish drying and storage area that keeps spent dishes out of the way. I had no problem storing all our cookware and dishes in the side canvas storage compartments, and noted that these nooks could also serve as a food pantry. The lantern pole accessory is nice for hanging a camping light for sunrise and sunset kitchen duties, although it was unnecessary under the midnight sun in my home in Alaska. I also love the versatile side mesh bin, which works well as a trash receptacle. Even though it boasts 63 inches of workspace, there is less real estate compared with other kitchens in the test. Once I set up my 2-burner camp stove next to the integrated sink, I was left with only 20 inches of prep area on the 2 non-slotted side tables. I also deducted points for the sheer number of separate pieces of the kitchen, like the lantern pole and mesh trash bag. These stray components could get misplaced in the shuffle at camp. Number 2. GCI Outdoors Slimfold Cook Station. My husband and I toted this camp kitchen around the country on one of our work road trips, using it for several weeks at a campground, then folding all the components into itself to pack the compact unit nicely into our Subaru. After months in and out of the car and withstanding the elements, there's only one small dent, through our own fault, but the unit still functions. It has everything we need for a basic camp kitchen workspace, prep space, cooking areas, and storage. Depending on the menu, we used both a grill and 2-burner camp stove on the heat-resistant slotted aluminum countertop, and still had room for storing dishes and cookware on the 4 fold-out plastic shelves and 1 wire bottom shelf. The main countertop can withstand 48 pounds, while the side tables can handle 30 pounds, so it was extremely steady for multiple kitchen duties. There were even a few extra features, like stem wine glass and cup holders, hooks for hanging cooking gear, and a paper towel holder. This was my first camp kitchen, and I quickly fell in love with the upgrade to our road life. This would be a great beginner outdoor kitchen set, especially because it's priced so low. GCI makes an upgraded version of this, which we used on another work trip. It has an integrated collapsible sink, drain, and lantern pole, in addition to the components of the original. Number 3. Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table. If you are looking merely to get your grill, camp stove, or one of the best camp grill stove combos off the ground at a family picnic or at a sporting event, this is the camp kitchen for you. Obviously, you could use any portable table for those purposes, but I liked a few key features to make it more of a camp kitchen rather than a basic table. The setup takes minutes, but the minimalist design has multiple levels for kitchen prep and storage. I used the main slotted aluminum area for my charcoal grill and the 2 solid aluminum side tables for condiments and food prep. The wire shelf underneath was a nice bonus for picnic essentials, like extra plates and utensils. For hooks hung and organized my grilling utensils, and there was even a spot for drying out my towel. The portability and weight were the reasons I chose this over others. The 6-pound Camco camp kitchen folds down flat and packs away in a sturdy carrying case. This would be a great choice for a beginner outdoor cook station. Number 4. SylvanSport Dine O Max Camp Kitchen. To evaluate this camp kitchen, I solicited one of my field testers who is a professional guide on the East Coast. On one trip, 2 guides prepped a build-your-own lunch space for their guests. During a 3-day camping trip in Shenandoah National Park, 5 guides used it for multiple meals. With 40 inches of bamboo table, there was more than enough space for multiple guides to prep food for the large group. The 4 structured shelves and mesh pockets kept supplies, including 15 metal plates, 15 metal bowls, and various pots, pans, and utensils, readily accessible, protected, and organized. My tester noted that even though there was heavy condensation while camping in the meadows in the park, everything inside the zippered compartments stayed bone dry. A few unique bonuses on this SylvanSport camp kitchen included a bottle opener, add-on windscreen, fold-out garbage bag holder, collapsible sink, and hooks. One of the clients liked the product so much she bought one for herself after the trip. As for downsides, my tester noted a few durability issues, like a finicky zipper, bent frame, and a broken buckle on the carrying handle. Everything still functioned, but he is concerned for the durability over months of use. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. If you love camping, tailgating, or just setting up an outdoor cooking station in your backyard, the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station is an excellent choice. This portable folding kitchen table is designed to give you a functional and organized cooking space wherever you go. Key features. Spacious and organized setup. The station includes multiple levels of storage and surfaces, including a heat-resistant aluminum tabletop for stoves, a lower rack for extra gear, and side tables with cup holders and hooks. Soft shell sink. A built-in collapsible sink makes washing up convenient, adding an extra level of practicality for campers. Durability and stability. Made from powder-coated steel, it feels sturdy and well-balanced, even on uneven ground. Easy to set up and fold down, the one-piece design unfolds quickly, and it folds flat for compact storage. Telescoping lantern pole. This thoughtful addition allows you to hang a lantern, keeping your cooking area well lit at night. Final verdict. The GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station is a fantastic addition to any camping setup. It's well-designed, easy to use, and provides a dedicated cooking space that makes outdoor meal prep much easier. If you're looking for a durable and portable outdoor kitchen, this is one of the best options available.